Hey guys, it's Miss Hall. It's Thursday, and we are going to look at another form of persuasive text. This time we're going to be looking at print advertisements. We have seen them in the newspapers, magazines, and online. They are designed to persuade you to buy their product. Remember, our first lesson was about commercials and how they persuade you to buy their stuff. So now we're going to look at a McDonald's web advertisement, if it will allow me to get on there. And if we go here to our deals, of course, this is your print advertisement. It is trying to get you to do what? Think about it. Who is it relating to? What are they trying to get you to do? Just kind of scroll through it together for a little bit. I never realized how loud my clock is ticking in the background. Okay, so when we look at that, what are the writers of the advertisement trying to get you to do? And how are they doing it? All right, well, let's think about it. They show for maybe a teenager, because it was kind of a big kid, on a skateboard with the app on the phone, ready to order some French fries, saying that McDonald's is in the palm of your hands. They're doing it by relating it to you. They have awesome pictures of the food, which I don't know about you guys, but anytime I notice a print advertisement of food, the food always looks 100 times better in the picture than it does in front of you. That varies from location to location, but I still am going to stand on that one. So think about that. When you go to a restaurant, their menu sometimes can be a print advertisement because you're like, oh, what looks good to eat? You are looking with your pictures and like, oh, that looks good, and that's why you choose it. So how are they doing that? Okay, let's look at another online print advertisement and think about the same things. This one's a good one. You're going to like it. All right. Disney World. Their print advertisements also are the same way as McDonald's, is that they're also digital. Here, they're adding some video. They're giving you a sneak peek to some rides. They even have maps that show you where things are. They have all sorts of, even a web I can't even talk today. Even a web advertisement is going to be there to help you figure out what you want to do. They have all kinds of information on these. I mean, look at the pictures. Why wouldn't you want to go there? How are they drawing you in? What are they doing? The pictures that they take and they use for their advertisement, which they're not going to pick a bad picture. They're not going to pick a picture of somebody crying at Disney World. Do you think people cry at Disney World? Probably. At some point, somebody has probably cried at Disney World. But they're going to show you all of the really neat things that you can do. They are also going to provide you a way to find more information, because an advertisement does a really good job of letting you know only the information that you need to know right then to get you hooked, to get you to purchase something. Okay, so the online advertisement and a print advertisement, think about what's in the newspaper. If you've ever gotten a newspaper, or if your parents are listening, please go buy a Sunday paper and look at all the ads with your kiddo, because those are also ways that these advertisements get to you. I know my boys, when it's around Christmas time, they get the big ad at the in the Sunday paper and start circling things that they want for Christmas. So they use pictures, they use bright colors, they use really vague information, which means that they don't give a whole lot of detail, but just enough to spark your interest. All right, so you are going to look at the online advertisement and answer questions on handout 7. That is your homework for today. So here is handout 6. It's attached in the homework. It's also right here, so if you just want to pause it and look at this one, that's fine. You are going to answer the questions and use this ad to help you through that. And if you have any questions, just let us know. And just remember that if there's any of this that's confusing or too much, just let us know. Now, I do have an extra challenge for you. I've also created or added a template that looks very similar to this, except it doesn't have the picture. The challenge, should you accept, is going to create an online advertisement that will have other kids wanting your product. Make sure you use some methods about color or pictures in the information in those ads that is, not giving away all the details, but just like, only $5. You can use an existing product or you can create your own. So I'm really excited to see some of these. Remember, it's just a challenge. It's just for extra fun. Make it colorful and unique, and remember, you want them to buy your product. So it's not going to be just hand-drawn with pencils. It's going to have color. It's going to have information. Looking at this one up here, it's got a cool title. It's got little pop-up ads over here, buy one, get one free. I love my toy cars. They are so much fun. Here's a character having fun with her cars. They want you to get one in every color. Think about what you have seen before that would made you want to buy it. And you can create your own. Now, for sure, the only thing that you have to turn in is handout 7 that goes with the ad. But if you want to, snap your teacher a picture of the extra challenge because it's good for you to create. So if you have any questions, let us know, and remember to do your best work, put your name on it, and get it turned in by Sunday. All right, guys, have a good day. Bye.